Hi and welcome to basic acting lesson anyone can learn. It's really easy. This is the basics that we learn. The first thing that I learned at Transatlantic Films, my weekly camera acting workshop, and it still holds true to this day. So without further, oh yeah, remember to like and subscribe. And my name is Leah from Leah's Tidy World. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you obviously need to do is read the scene or the monologue and understand what it's saying. If there are any words you don't know, since I'm a foreigner, that can happen to me easily, we have to look them up and make sure we know what we're talking about. But in an audition, you don't always get that time. You're not always sent the script in advance. You may be getting the script on the day, get 5 minutes or whatever to work on it, 3 minutes or something, and then you have to perform. So these are the tips and tricks that can carry you through even if you don't feel like you know what you're doing. The first thing you need to do is pick someone to talk to that you know from your real life. And as much as you understand the scene, you will pick somebody that obviously fits that description, like somebody who makes you feel in a similar way as the person is feeling in the scene. Or if you've been in a, for example, you're having an argument, then if you've been in a real argument in real life, talk to the person you were arguing with so that it comes through how you were feeling at the time. So that's very important because you want it to seem real. You don't want it to seem fake. You don't want it to seem like you're acting. You want it to seem like you're actually really in the moment and actually living through whatever the character is going through. Because obviously if somebody is overacting, it throws you out of the movie as a viewer. It makes you think about the bad acting and it doesn't keep you in the scene. You want to really feel like this is really happening, right? As a viewer, you want to have that experience as if you're really there with the characters. And then the second thing you will do is you will pick your action and objective. That is, you will write it down on the script if you can, if you have the time and if you have a pen. But if you're working on a whole play and you already have the script, then write it down there. What do I want in the scene? This is your objective, and then the action is, what are you doing in the scene? For example, convincing the person, interviewing the person, deceiving the person, something like that. What are you doing in the scene? And like I said, these two things, they can carry you through even if you don't feel like you know what you're doing. Sometimes it carries you through and sometimes the director actually liked your work, so don't give up. So while you perform the scene, you keep thinking, you keep that in the back of your mind. What are you trying to do and what is your action? And these are 3 so simple steps to take for a good acting performance. If you nail this, then you will definitely get a good performance and you will definitely improve over time as well. Even I've seen people who didn't have natural talent, but because they nailed these 3 things, they were actually improving over time. So yeah, this is my best acting advice for you. I hope you liked this. Give this video a thumbs up, say hi in the comments, and let me know what is your favorite scene or monologue you've ever performed or would like to perform if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel. Bye!